show you another recipe. And fall is right around the corner, so I say why not. So today we're going to be making pumpkin spice syrup. And it's the kind that Starbucks use, and you can put it in your coffee, put it in pancakes, you can put it in anything in the world. So let me go ahead and show you the ingredients. So what you're going to need is some pumpkin, cinnamon, pumpkin spice, brown cloves, ginger, brown sugar, white sugar, vanilla extract, and a nice looking glass to put it in. The very first thing you need is a saucepan, and I'm going to be putting 2 cups of water in there. I'm going to go ahead and put 1 cup of white sugar and 1 cup of brown sugar. And I'm going to stir that really nice until it dissolves. Next, I'm going to be taking my pumpkin, and I want to put half a cup of pumpkin. You got to make sure it's not the pumpkin pie mix that they put in the cans. It's got to be 100% pumpkin. So we're going to start off with a half a cup of that. Put a little bit too much. Next, I'm going to be putting all of my spices into the puree mix. I find that this helps to blend everything in once it hits that water, because if you put all of the spices in separate in the water, it just might not, you know, make the flavoring good. Just makes it better, if you get what I'm trying to say. And I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of vanilla because I love vanilla, and it just gave it amazing taste. I'm just going to stir this all up until it's well stirred, and then once my water is completely dissolved with the sugar, I'm going to be putting this puree in, and the house is going to smell amazing. I'm going to give this a good stir again just to make sure it's completely dissolved, and then I'm going to go ahead and add the puree mix in. And guys, this is so simple, and even if you don't use the syrup, you can always just make your house smell like fall, because literally it smelled just like fall, and I loved it so much. And then I'm going to let this simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes. I'm going to put it on 10 minutes. And now that the mixture is all well combined and it smells amazing in my house, I got this little net thing. You can also use a cheesecloth. I just like to use this instead because it's got littler holes and I don't like the grains in my syrup. So I'm going to be taking cup by cup into this, and this does take a little bit just because I didn't want no grains in the syrup. I cannot stand that, but it still tastes amazing. So I hope you guys give this a try. And literally this took maybe about 35 minutes just to get this straight. To get a spoon and press it down just to get it started. It did a wonderful job, I think.
just gotta play with them.
So once I get this all done, I will show you guys what it looks like on the bottom. And there you guys have it. Pumpkin spice syrup. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All you do is put it in any container you wanted to put it in. And yeah, you just put it in whatever you want to put it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and hit subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye guys.